Hi guys, Shawn here, down here at Prince George Toyota, Fixed Operations Manager. Questions were asked a lot when we come into services, why should I be doing regular maintenance on my vehicles? So I wrote down some quick 7 just to go over with you guys. So the number 1 we have is increases safety, prevents parts from breaking and larger issues arising while driving. That is probably the number 1 thing. Number 2, keeps your vehicle running and driving at its best. It will be performing better than it will be with lack of maintenance, of course. Number 3, which we all like, is saves you money. It will prevent larger, more costly breakdowns or repairs from happening down the road. Number 4, lowers the cost of fuel. When it runs better, drives better, it increases your fuel economy. Some of the big issues that we do come into is it saves you time. Lack of maintenance usually means larger breakdowns, and when you have larger breakdowns, it usually means more time in the shop, looking for parts, trying to find them, things like that. Now, what sales always likes to do, and the customer that's trying to sell their car, vehicle resale value is hugely increased. People want to know that you're taking care of your car. When you're doing a trade-in, the first thing they're going to ask you, do you have your maintenance records, and it is up to date. Same as when you're selling it privately, that's the number 1 thing that people want to know, that you're maintaining your car correctly. And a big one we have in service, don't run into it very often, but it can, is warranty. Performing regular dealer recommended services secures warranty issues that may arise from lack of maintenance. Can it happen? Yes, it does. Is it always going to happen? Not necessarily, but you secure that to know. Other than that, those are the 7 most important questions that we get asked, and it's usually about why I should maintain your car. We'd love to see you down here at Prince George Toyota, and I thank you so much.